The audio monitor can be used in two ways: attached to either side of the Sibia Bassinet, or on a nearby tabletop or nightstand. When mounting on the Sibia Bassinet, start by sliding the monitor onto either side of the bassinet's rail. Plug the short cord into the monitor, and then into the Sibia. Next, plug the power adapter into the bottom of the bassinet's leg. Then, plug the power cord into the wall outlet. The audio monitor can also be placed on a tabletop. For this setup, insert the power adapter into the bottom of the monitor. Then place the monitor on the tabletop, making sure to route the wire under the rear lip. Plug the power cord into the wall outlet. Cables must be kept at least 3 feet away from your child at all times. Do not use on cribs and play yards.